The science behind the clean. What is Crystal Simple Green? Crystal Simple Green is a concentrated, water-based cleaner and degreaser designed to tackle tough jobs without the hazards of traditional, harsh chemicals. Unlike caustics or solvents, Crystal doesn't use sodium hydroxide, chlorine, or harsh acids. Instead, it relies on safe, non-ionic surfactants to break down dirt and grease. That means no harsh fumes, no added fragrances or dyes, and a formula that's much gentler on people, surfaces, and equipment. Crystal uses ethoxylated alcohol, a non-ionic surfactant, as its active ingredient and contains about 33% more actives than our standard industrial cleaner and degreaser, delivering strong cleaning power without caustics, solvents, terpenes, or chlorinated ingredients. Water is the solvent and carrier, so you can tailor dilution to the soil and surface, and it spreads the actives efficiently. Beyond food and beverage, this same color-free, fragrance-free, non-ionic formulation makes Crystal Simple Green a strong fit for contamination-sensitive operations, including pharmaceutical, nutritional, cosmetic, and animal health manufacturing. Because Crystal relies on non-ionic surfactants and water as the carrier, teams can tailor dilution to the soil and surface while supporting cleaning programs that prioritize rinsability, low residue potential, and broad material compatibility across water-safe surfaces. Crystal is NSF registered across categories A1, A2, A4, A8, B1, and C1, covering surfaces, soak tanks, floors, walls, cooking utensils, laundry, and general cleaning and food handling areas. In addition, Crystal supports odor control by removing the source residue and can be misted with proper protocols to temporarily knock down airborne smells around trash areas. Beyond production zones, Crystal works across maintenance, operations, logistics, fleet, and janitorial environments. If the surface is safe for water, it's safe to clean with Crystal Simple Green. One item to note when cleaning bare, uncoated metals: any water-based cleaner has the potential to expose fresh metal to rust. It's a best practice across industries to protect bare metals with a light lubricant to prevent flash rust after rinsing. Because it's a versatile, multi-purpose product, Crystal can replace many different specialty cleaners. That means lower inventory costs, simpler training for staff, and fewer risks of using the wrong product on the wrong surface or soil. With Crystal Simple Green, you get a single, versatile solution that's safer, more effective, and easier to manage across your entire operation.